When connecting the receipt printer, shut down the computer. Turn off all external devices connected to the computer. Disconnect all power cables from the computer and disconnect any external devices. Plug one end of the USB-C to USB-C cable into the powered USB-C port on the printer. Plug the other end of the USB-C to USB-C cable into the USB-C port on the computer or hub. Important: never disconnect this cable from the computer while the printer is on. Reconnect the power cables and external devices, and turn on the computer and hub. To load the paper roll, twist the top of the printer and open the paper compartment cover. Place the paper roll into the paper compartment and then close the cover. The LED light on the printer turns solid green to indicate that the printer is ready to be used. To run a self-test and enter button configuration mode, disconnect the USB-C cable from the power and interface connector. Press and hold the paper feed button. While holding the paper feed button, reconnect the USB-C cable. The printer prints a character test sample and completes the self-test. To enter button configuration mode, continue to hold the paper feed button.